joystick at a time, guys. I see too many beginners trying to do these crazy compound movements with two sticks. What I think is going on is that they're trying to mimic those cool FPV videos where they got these amazing movements. But you are a beginner, and the Mini, or some of the other beginners drones can't do that properly because they are just not FPV drones. And anyway, look at big Hollywood drone movements. Slow, simple, smooth. Do that. One joystick at a time really help. And this is what we want. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, to follow me on Instagram. And see you to the next video. Cheers!